Here's how to add an address to your Instagram bio, but you'll need a business account for it. Personal accounts won't work. So open your Instagram application and log into your specific account. Then tap on your profile picture icon from the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three lines in the top right corner to go to your settings and activity. From here, you need to scroll down and select account types and tools. Now select the account type in the top of the screen. And there you'll get the option of switch account type. Go ahead and select it. Clicking on it, it will give you two different options available, which is switch to business account and switch to personal account. If your account is personal, go ahead and switch it to a business account. And once you've changed it, note that if your account was private, it will no longer be a private account. And after switching, you can go to your profile, tap on edit, and it might take some time for the changes to appear. Then you should be able to add an address, which will then be displayed in your bio. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.